Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here heterocyclic piperidine is given. You have stereochemically specified methyl group which are trans to each other, and you have N substitution where phenyl is there. You have to know what are the status of hydrogen, whether they are enantiotopic or diastereotopic. Basically you are finding the topicity. Here the answer is diastereotopic, but on the interesting way. Here you have two hydrogen but phenyl, but answer hides in the plain side. You have to draw fully phenyl. If you draw, you have steric effect there. The ring restricted rotation comes, so there is no free rotation. So phenyl group will be like biphenyl, so it has own chirality. Then you have the topicity of the hydrogen creates further one. Hence there is a two stereo center. One is carbon, which is chiral carbon. Second is biphenyl kind of chirality. So the hydrogens are diastereotopic. Here the concept you have to learn here is always think of different kind of chirality. Here chirality comes from the biphenyl. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.